I decided to come because I felt there was something missing in my life. Some new purpose, something more fulfilling, and I think I found some clues. I found out that I had to work a bit on myself, and I found out that I have some more skills that may be put to the use of others and to give me that extra fulfillment. Well, people in my situation, people that are too busy with their lives and too mechanical on the daily routine and losing a bit track, getting exhausted with the daily life, losing track of more meaningful things and of what they want. Their passions, their inner feelings and their values, and to focus on that, and they don't know how. So people that somehow feel a bit lost, they can, I think I got some good guidance. I know that I have to work. This is a continuous work, but I feel empowered actually, because I've been given the strength, some clarity, awareness, and and I know how I should get there. It's a continuous work, but I know I can get there. My favorite part of the course was to find out, to get clues on what is my life purpose. That bit of light that I was looking for, it's there. And I got some pieces of the puzzle together. So, and that's beautiful. It has given me a big tranquility. I was overwhelmed with all of this information. This is quite intense. I'm not sure I was prepared. I did not know it would be so intense. And so today I got things a bit together. So work in progress, but I got things together, and that gave me a lot of tranquility. So it was my favorite part actually. Thank you.